Over the last year, the Blender community has witnessed an absolute explosion of incredible add-ons specifically designed for high-end effects and physics simulations. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into some of the most powerful and essential simulation tools that you probably missed, guaranteed to take your visual effects to the next level.
Kicking things off with Fracturelab, an extension that takes digital destruction to an entirely new level with real-time, precision-based fracturing. Developed by the creators of Veedynamics, this tool is essential for building cinematic VFX or dynamic game environments. It grants artists absolute control over how geometric objects break apart. Unlike traditional fracturing methods, this system allows for the design of exact fracture patterns and detailed cuts in mere seconds. The fractures remain fully editable, providing incredible flexibility for tweaking destruction sequences until they achieve perfect photorealism. Furthermore, the dedicated damage module seamlessly simulates cracked stone, shattered glass, and compressed paths with automatic detail generation. The ability to dynamically scale fracture resolution ensures your viewport remains optimized while delivering massive geometric detail exactly when required.
Next up is Veedynamics, an elastic body simulation engine developed by the creator of UV Packmaster. This extension introduces highly intuitive soft body dynamics into the workspace without requiring overly complicated node setups. The workflow is surprisingly straightforward. Simply define active objects as elastic bodies and designate environmental surfaces as colliders. A highly efficient batch assignment feature makes handling massive collections of assets a breeze. Before calculating the physics, colliders can be animated to directly interact with the elastic objects, like a heavy press squashing a pile of geometric shapes. The system runs calculations entirely in the background, saving data locally, allowing for smooth, live playback within the viewport. The resulting squashing and bouncing effects provide incredibly solid, stylized motion, perfect for dynamic scene experimentation.
Continuing with physics workflows, Soft Body Painter revolutionizes how simulation parameters are applied by allowing artists to paint dynamic areas directly onto their meshes. Instead of manually navigating complex vertex groups, the process is streamlined to a simple paint mode where simulation zones are visually marked. Once painted, the physical properties can be fine-tuned using intuitive sliders governing structural stiffness, bending resistance, dampening, and push-pull forces. The system natively supports self-collision, along with face and edge interactions, and includes specialized weight painting options to pin specific mesh sections permanently in place. Because it operates completely non-destructively, the original base geometry remains perfectly intact, while the complex simulation executes smoothly on an active duplicate layer. For those looking to streamline their destruction pipelines, Simply Shatter entirely removes the technical complexity of smashing digital assets. This system allows for rapid object fracturing, perfect for shattering glass panels or concrete walls, while seamlessly integrating subsequent physics simulations on the broken fragments. It provides robust controls over the shattering methodology, allowing users to toggle between low polygon chunks and high-density detail shards. The extension includes 6 ready-made fracture presets that can be combined for highly unique structural breaks. To enhance visual realism, it ships with custom glass shaders and a procedural dirt map system that autonomously generates tiny cracks and grime along the freshly broken geometric edges. Coupled with an integrated physics previewer, it acts as a comprehensive solution for generating satisfying destruction sequences.
Moving into liquid simulations, FluidKit serves as a highly versatile toolkit for generating both animated and static water effects. While fundamentally built upon geometry nodes, its primary strength lies in its expansive library of non-node assets, granting artists incredible flexibility depending on the scene requirements. Packed with over 300 static presets, it offers an exceptionally fast method for integrating water elements into concept art, product visualizations, or cinematic animations. The system provides deep customization parameters covering color grading, wave distribution patterns, and advanced material characteristics. The included geometry node assets can be further manipulated using jitter, density, and intensity controls, ensuring the simulated liquids perfectly match the environmental lighting and aesthetic. Complementing those tools is Liquid Splash, developed by the prominent team at B Production.
Known for their highly optimized environmental assets, this extension delivers a massive, production-ready library dedicated entirely to water elements. The package includes meticulously crafted fountains, complex vortices, dynamic splashes, and abstract fluid shapes geared toward high-end motion graphics. Additionally, certain assets are designed to dynamically follow structural paths to simulate flowing rivers or running pipes. To maximize rendering efficiency, the collection includes fully optimized shaders tailored specifically for clear water, rich chocolate, and dense milk materials. With over 200 distinct assets neatly organized across 9 specialized categories, it is an indispensable resource for liquid visualization. Shifting focus to material effects, Fuzzy Master is a highly specialized shader toolkit engineered to generate incredibly realistic felt, wool, and fluffy fabric textures, perfect for enhancing the tactile realism of digital garments, complex accessories, and architectural furniture. This extension delivers an unparalleled level of procedural surface detail. The core algorithm is designed to be highly accessible while offering deep customization for advanced material technicians. Whether aiming for stylized stop-motion animation aesthetics or photorealistic clothing renders, the system dynamically generates realistic surface fuzz that reacts perfectly to environmental lighting. Finally, we arrive at Librx, arguably the most comprehensive and impactful package in this lineup. This is an absolutely massive library, encompassing high-end VFX, complex simulations, volumetric lighting, explosive pyrotechnics, dense smoke, atmospheric mist, and advanced glass simulation presets. Building professional motion graphics from scratch requires enormous technical investment, but Librx completely transforms that pipeline by acting as a central hub for studio-quality effects. Every asset and preset is immaculately organized within a custom user interface, offering extensive parametric controls over particle counts, simulation resolution, and dynamic behaviors. It entirely eliminates the tedious setup phase, allowing rendering professionals to deploy blockbuster-quality visual effects into their scenes instantly. That concludes our breakdown of the most essential new VFX and simulation tools for the Blender ecosystem. You will find all the relevant links in the video description below to upgrade your personal pipeline. If this technical overview brought value to your workflow, please leave a like and subscribe for more professional 3D content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next visual breakdown.